John Beth. Court rereading, case 7. Yeah, on shoulders. Please state your name, sir.
William Lorenzo Show.
Good morning. Talk to me, counsel.
Judge, in the following discussions, we are accepting the offer of no operator's license. Asking for mercy because
Mercy?
mercy for the fine.
You're in the judgment house, not the mercy house. Go ahead.
He can do it, Judge. He has 3 children. He was making $18 an hour.
3 children. He probably wants some jail time. Need a little break? How old are they?
3 months, 3 years, 7 years.
Yeah. Go ahead, counsel.
What you can do with them. I did. Haven't signed the advice of rights.
Okay. All right, Mr. Shoulders, did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? You understood all that? You understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license on person charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on July 7, 2025 while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied near 94 and Belleville Road? Satisfied, Mr. Graziani? So am I. I'll dismiss the original charge. What's the status of your license now? What do you have to do to get legal?
Have another hearing in the state of Michigan.
All right.
I had 3 hearings prior.
Are you getting anywhere?
No, sir.
You got to hire an attorney.
Judge, I've advised him to contact the Justice Center and
Yeah.
at least give him some resources.
Yeah.
All that accident ago, and that's.
Yeah, my experience has been that although, you know, it's a struggle, you got to come up with the money for the attorney. You're way ahead. You're way ahead. If you get the attorney that knows the system, right? You can't hire an attorney that doesn't go to those hearings all the time. You got to have somebody that knows the ins and outs.
Have any references?
That wouldn't be appropriate, but there are a lot of them around.
I
He might be able to give you a name or two.
shall.
All right. Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work?
Dumpster guy. Junk Bull Company.
How long?
3 years.
Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
Yeah, I was just at work that day trying to make it.
Yeah. No, I get it. We don't have a good public transportation system.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, I'll do fines and costs and I'll let you set up payments.
Yeah.
Or I'll let you do a number of work days. You pick the days, you schedule, and those days you got to be here before 8:30 in the morning. You go out, you work about a 6-hour day and you're done.
Sir.
So it'll be a number of days or money, or I could do a little bit of both. Total is $500. Go downstairs, they'll talk about options. You're welcome so much. Good luck with your license, sir.
9:15. Mr. Martel?
Martel, you ready on minor?
I am, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Heather informs me that Mr. Minor has not yet been arraigned. Would you waive formal reading?
Absolutely, Judge. Waive formal reading, stand mute. Humbly request the plea of not guilty be entered by this honorable court.
Thank you. We got Mr. Minor on the screen somewhere.
Yes, I'm trying to figure out how I could add my face, but it's only let me raise
All
my
right.
hand right now.
Mr. Martel, you recognize that voice as your client?
Absolutely, Judge. We speak very often.
Can we go forward without video?
We can, Judge. I would have to waive his video presence
All right.
at this time.
Thank you. And what are we trying to do today?
Judge, I've spoken with the prosecutor regarding same. It's my understanding that they don't have a file for this case yet. Therefore, we do not have discovery. They're requesting a week. I'm requesting 2 to 3 weeks. I will leave it to this fine court's discretion.
Go ahead, counsel. Your appearance.
Morning, Your Honor. Michael Mohico on behalf of Janiyah Blankenship, E88245. Ms. Blankenship, can you please state your name for the record?
Good morning. I can't read this. What's it say? The plea agreement.
No, we're looking to set that for an exam.
And at FT8 copying.
All right. So exam dates?
9/3 or
9/3 or 9/10?
9/10.
That work? What time?
30 and 9.
All right, that is live here, Miss Blankenship. Council, anything as to bond or shall I continue?
Team bond.
Will do. All right, Ms. Blankenship, Heather's gonna put a paper notice together. We'll give you that in just a minute. I've got another file here from 2024, a Romulus impeding traffic ticket. Says you owe us $336. Are you in a position to set up some kind of regular payments? When? Like in the last week or so? You better check downstairs because we got you still showing $339 due. All right, are you sure there wasn't two tickets on the same piece of paper? All right, go downstairs and figure it out. Because right now, the computer's telling us you owe money, so let's get to the bottom of it. Go down there and see what they've got to tell you, and if you're confused, talk to him. All right? Well, we'll get you a notice before you do that. Ready? Back on the record with Tanaya Williams. Without Tanaya Williams, but about Tanaya Williams.
Good morning.
It's supposed to be.
Trophy is on behalf of the school.
All right, Mr. Starr is going to make a motion to dismiss because no discovery. Do you want to elaborate on that or?
Yes.
Well,
And good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people. Good. At this time, we don't have any paper discovery in the system and no digital discovery. There has been a few different attempts by two different prosecutors other than myself. There was a request 6/18, 8:38, no submission, where he called the Romulus Police Department and left a message asking for the.
Let me stop you right there. That's the problem. This is a Detroit Metro Airport file.
Yeah, I do see it as.
So Romulus PD can't help you.
Then you're, I'm just putting on the record. that-
No, I got you.
And then on 7/8/25, not AP, not Manila, Esmero, emailed both the Wake County Prosecutor's Office, discovery, well as the OIP times for the paper discovery, and then I took my survey and still couldn't find any paper discovery, and then I sent another email to officer in charge for missing paper and digital discovery. At this time, we still don't have it. I would request a 1-week adjournment, or honestly, I think it should be sent for as the defendants failed to appear today.
So the department gets a pass, but she doesn't.
No, well, I'm requesting an adjournment.
Yeah, but she's been here every time, hasn't she?
prior to today's.
All right, well, I'm getting real tired of kicking cans down the road, so let's dismiss, and then if the department gets their shit in a tight bundle, they can refile.
Thank you.
Good day. Oh, let her know she owes us money on some other stuff. We'd like to get her in here to take care of it. All right. Counsel, was your client Khalil Stewart?
We're asking that.
Is that the right name?
That's the name.
Okay. All right. Appearances for that file.
Morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
Right, our NG Moore, P64561 of Entry Detroit, on behalf of Mr. Khalil Stewart. Brown, court is present for the purpose of this hearing only.
Sure. But before we get into that, we've got a Romulus file, just a Drovo license suspended that goes back to December of 2017. We just got to get him a court date and get him to take care of it.
We don't handle traffic.
No, I'm just, if you've got communication with him, let him know he's in warrant status. And all he's got to do is come in here, we'll give him a date. All right, so let's talk about today's file, the one that's actually scheduled.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. This matter has been adjourned multiple times to give people the opportunity to produce a digital discovery. There have been many issues to acquire that digital, and Judge Lisa Martin entered a discovery order for that discovery to be produced. It still has not been produced.
Was that on, excuse me to cut you off, was that on July 16? Does that sound right?
That sounds about right.
Okay, go ahead.
And so discovery was supposed to be produced within 7 days of the entry of that order. We're now beyond that date, and we're asking for a dismissal at this time.
Mr. Mohammed,
Judge, do you know, was there a signed discovery order?
I'll look and see if there's one in the file. I don't,
Judge, I was going back to the whole vacation, I'm saying I just like to ask, but on the record, our YC.
right.
So on May 28th, 2025, I emailed the OIC regarding the missing digital discovery. On second, Esmero sent a second request to the OIC for digital. Then on 7/13/2025, Esmero phone number to the OIC where there was no response. There's been a few attempts by our office to obtain the digital discovery, however, at the time it is still missing.
All right. So Heather just confirmed that there was a discovery order signed by Judge Martin on the 17th of this month. Anything else?
No.
All right. Once again, these discovery issues are clogging up the court's docket. Case is dismissed without prejudice. They can refile when they get their paperwork together.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That is correct, Judge.
How about if I just do one file, take the plea to the no insurance, civil infraction, dismiss the other two charges,
I love that, but I obviously didn't.
just run it past them. I don't see where the,
Which charge you wanted to?
I don't care. I just want to do one file instead of two.
Okay.
It's twice the work and it doesn't really accomplish anything on our end, and I don't think it does on the people's end.
Yeah.
Yeah. For future reference, always push that.
Okay, Judge.
Clerks will love you.
Mohican on behalf of Hurricane P 88245. Please state your full name for the record.
And Alicia Louise,
Thank you. How about September 10th for an exam date?
It's September 10th, works, Judge.
What time, Heather? Bond will be continued.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Purdy, you have a seat. We'll get you a notice. Counsel, are we ready on Black and Fields?
I'm ready on not Black and Fields, but all of it.
I'm ready on that one. Your appearance for Mr. Meraldo.
Yeah, Michael, 8845. And Mr. Moore. Gary, can you please state your name, unmute yourself and state your name for the record? You can go muted. What's your name?
Exam date, counsel? Same day.
Jacoby Maralda.
All right, Mr. Meraldo, you know that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You know we're going to do live exams. We don't do Zoom exams. All right. Mr. Meraldo, can you hear me all right?
Yes.
All right, we're going to schedule your preliminary exam for September 10th, 2025. That's live. Understood?
Yes.
What time did we just do that one? 12:30.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Bond is continued. We will
Thank
mail
you.
you a notice.
Okay.
You understand that's live in person, my courtroom, right?
Yes.
Okay, travel safely.
All right, Mr. Moore.
He's gone.
I'll go with this. Wow.
We're ready on Fields and Black now?
Talk to his license.
Appearances.
Morning, Your Honor, staff, Michael Mohican, P 88245.
Morning, Your Honor. Give you praise on behalf of the Lions of Black people who are alive today.
We're gonna set for exam? Good, because that's the only date I've got. How about 1 o'clock? All right. Bonds continued?
Yes.
Correct. All right. Gentlemen, we're gonna get notices for you two. And Mr. Black, you owe us money on some other stuff. Expired license from 24, speeding ticket from 2024. Looks like you owe us $651. Are you in a position to set up some kind of payment plan?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Take care of that downstairs before you leave. All right. Thank you, counsel. Guys, just have a seat. We'll get you a notice for that court date.